Today we must pay a lot of money for good usable software. We have to pay for the license and for a yearly update, or we have to pay a monthly fee. There's also free software available, but seldom you will find very useful software which is free. On the other side, you are able to get very good free software, but the developers don't get paid at all and only collect small donations. So this might lead to not so good motivation. Now we will fill this gap with user-centered design software which is for free, but also the developers get paid. This is called CrowdWare. Hi, my name is Olaf Japp. I'm a self-made software developer since more than 25 years. I've worked for some companies in the insurance industry and for the banking industry. After 2 burnouts, I had to stop working there, and I also had a tantric massage which opens up my heart, so I was able to see what's going on in this planet, and with these companies. So I was not able to support them anymore with my energy. I left. I've been working for a bank in Switzerland for my last contract. I have left Switzerland and I moved to Denmark to start living and doing some kite surfing and so. And then I found out I should do something to help that the planet will survive. My first idea was politics and to create a new money system and so. But I remember that I had in the university I had an idea. We had a project for testing our requirement engineering skills, and I had the idea to build some software for small companies, user-centered design software for small companies who don't have that much money, so not that budget. So the idea was, and this is what I want to do with CrowdWare, the idea is to gather requirements from the people, have the ideas from the people, make a good architecture out of this, and design software which is very engaging, efficient, easy to use, and easy to learn, error tolerant, and so all that. And after the design phase, we want to crowdfund these products, so that the companies with the ideas don't need to pay for this software alone. So when we are doing the requirement engineering, we are talking with different kind of companies with the same problems to be solved, and this is our crowd which will fund this project. So in the crowdfunding, we keep an eye on the design costs we already had and the development costs which will be in the future. So then we put it all together, and this is what the budget we want to fund. This was a big idea. I already started my company with 2 open source products. The first one is the animation maker, which you can use to create pitch videos like this, to create presentations, small animations, and so on. The output could also be animated GIF files and movies, and also animated HTML based on CSS. The second product is called the Flat Site Builder. Flat Site Builder is content management system, not running on the web server but on your desktop. So it's very efficient, very fast, and very easy to work with it. You don't have to upload pictures to the web. You can just use them locally and see, oh, it's not the right picture, you put another, so you don't have to upload each picture. And for example, this is only the example, and I was inspired from WordPress and the DV builder, which is an add-on to WordPress, so it's easy to lay out your website. The output of the flat site builder is just plain HTML and CSS files, so I call it the fastest content management system available. Sorry, and you can you can host it, for example, on GitHub pages. So it's for so this software is already there, and I want to bring this also this software is available for Linux, and I also want to bring this to Windows and to Mac. Why I'm doing this crowdfunding for the CrowdWare yet is I need money to found this company, so I have to register the company as an NGO, and I need a MacBook to compile the software for Mac OS. I need licenses for the SDK I'm using Qt. I need a license for a very good theme. It's called Annotation, which I use both for almost every website I'm building, and I want to put this also in the flat site builder, so that you as a user can also have this without license costs. I also need some money to support myself for the next month, which is not that much, because now I'm living in a mobile home and I only need money for health insurance and for food, so I'm not that greedy anymore like before, you know. And I also need money to have additional licenses I have to buy, and that's pretty much it. You're not spending this, you're not donating this for nothing. You will get something in return, of course. For example, you will get, you can see everything here on the right side. There's, you can buy this. You can get this commercial licenses, which you can use your whole life without a limit, and it's just for one seat, of course. But you will also get all updates, and you can give us some feature requests like everybody can do. It's open source software, and I'm returning this ideas back into the software. And you can also get a kind of treatment. So I also learned to give tantric massage. I also learned to support you with sexological body work, and you can also have this as a return. The next thing is I'm also doing interaction design for non-profit organizations, so you can also have this as a pledge. It's my hourly rate, special price for this crowd. And the last thing, this is a bigger package. You will get the crowdfunding campaign. So the crowdfunding campaign is like, you have got an idea for a product, for a software product, for example, and I gather the requirements from your users. I will watch them, how they do their work today, and then I will create the architecture for you and the user interface design. So I will build paper prototypes, and depending on the project, what kind of prototypes you need. So this is limited for 81 days. So don't think that I will create your whole system. It's just for small projects, right? thank you for watching this video, and just think about the possibilities we could have when the software will be free in the future. Just think about that. And also, we are creating open source software. So when I don't want to update or to develop the product further, and nobody in our company want to develop software further, you can pick the source code and you can do it on your own, or you can give it to a software company, and they will enhance the software for you, and they will develop it further. So it's open. So I think this is a great idea, and this will stop with the greed on this planet. And so maybe when some other guys would pick this idea up, I would be very happy if you copy me. Would be real great, and would be a pleasure for me to help you growing up your business. So that said, please also share the idea, or this crowdfunding campaign with your colleagues, with your friends. And if you don't have money to donate for us, then please give the idea to someone else, so that they might support us. I'm talking about us. It's at the moment it's just me, of course, but I'm thinking I've got bigger plans with this company. I don't want to do this alone. And when I also say us, then it's the people using the software. So it's us. It's all of us. That's what I wanted to say. Thank you for listening, for watching. Goodbye.